I'm getting a refill.
Hey everybody, welcome to the Lazy Tech Guys. If you want to learn how to make money with your tech, get tips, tricks, and how-tos, make sure you hit that subscribe and bell so you don't miss any of our new videos.
Oh my god. Piece is going back on. Probably not, because the cables are going to piss me off, and then I have to fight them and get all pissy.
You're going to cover that. It's like, this is where you should wire tie neaten these prices.
Do what he says, not what I do. Hey! Power supply screws. I'm gonna leave the ones that are in there. Don't make fun of me. Yeah, okay. It's alright.
Hey, look, CMOS battery. Let's trade these real quick.
Or not. You can get Ben. Oh crap, I was hoping that was gonna fit. Oh, woohoo! Ah! Hey guys. I want to toot my own horn. Purrs like a kitten. I must have left that smart fan auto cool be quiet stuff on. I really
Did you turn your power supply button on?
Oh no. Good looking.
God,
Oh, there's the click. Oh shit, did you see the power? Thing flickered in here. Wonder. So there's that front fan light doohicker. Okay. Now we're going to try with that RGB button do. I mean, most people probably think it's pretty boring. I can kind of see it on the camera.
I can see it plain as day here. And you can see it.
No,
underneath.
I'm talking about back there on the motherboard.
Uh-huh. That's
See
what I'm talking
the light?
about. And you can see it down on the power supply too.
Oh, huh, I didn't even notice it down there. It works. Who knew? Alright guys, this has been the build that should have happened during the daytime and not after I got off work at 9:30 at night. So it did fire up. We did not let the smoke out. Thank whatever deity you believe in. I'm ecstatic, and I don't care about this camera right now. I want to go home and play with my new computer. Okay, anyway, thanks for joining us. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing, and remember, my day's awesome. No, it is though, for real, because I made it that way. It cost me $700, but I made it that way.
Alright, so this is the Lazy Tech Guys signing off. Thanks for joining us. Thanks for liking, commenting, subscribing. And remember, the day is what you make it. Let's make it a good one.